class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 25th of May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine? Okay. So yesterday we discussed about number patterns. Isn't? Very good. So for number pattern we have discussed some of rules. So who will tell me what are the rules that we have discussed yesterday? Very good. So class, first of all we will recognize a number pattern and identify the rule apply. Fine. Then we have identify what type of order it is. Fine. Next we will find missing numbers by identifying the pattern rule in the given sequence. Fine. Okay. So the first rule is to decide what type of order it is. Fine. What type of order it is. Second rule हमने number pattern में क्या पढ़ा था? If the order is ascending, so we will apply mathematical operations to find next terms in the number pattern. और वो नंबर कौन से हैं? Operations plus and multiplication. Fine. So this is your second rule. Now, if the order is descending means, what is mean by descending? ऐसे order जो के largest से start होते हैं और smallest पे end होते हैं. And in ascending order we have started from smallest and ended to largest. Fine. Now in descending order we have largest to smallest. So in this order we will just apply mathematical operation which is division and subtraction. Fine. So class, this is all which is related to previous lesson. So today we have question number 2 from exercise number 1E. And page number of your book is 20. Page number is 20. In previous lesson we discussed about how to apply rule of addition when we have ascending order. Now in this lesson we will first to find missing numbers and also discuss the rules applied on it. Fine. So exercise number 1E, page number is 20, question number is 2. Now the statement is find the rule and write the missing numbers. Find the rule and write the missing numbers. Fine. Find the rule and write the missing numbers. I have part A in which 16, then 21, then 26, then dash, then 36, then we have a blank again. Fine. So according to number pattern, first of all, if you look, we have a sequence class. Okay. अब हमने जो लास्ट यस्टरडे को जो हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था उसमें क्या था कि एक सीक्वेंस गिवन था, बट उसमें एंड पे वो नेक्स्ट 2 टर्म्स के बारे में उसने हमसे पूछा था, ऐसे ही था। और फिर हम उसके ऊपर रूल्स देखते थे अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्डर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिसाइड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्डर एंड देन वी विल अप्लाई आफ्टर आइडेंटिफाइंग टाइप ऑफ ऑर्डर। फाइन, इफ यू लुक, so first of all the first term of this sequence is 16, fine, then 21, then 26. if you look the first 3 terms, so आपको क्या यहाँ पे जो है वो नजर आ रहा है, ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है ऑर्डर या डिक्रीज हो रहा है? वेरी गुड। 16 के बाद 21, so it's mean इंक्रीज हो रहा है। इंक्रीजिंग के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। फॉर इंक्रीजिंग वी विल यूज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड इट्स मीन स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट। ओके, देन इफ यू लुक 21 आफ्टर 26 दोबारा से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, सो इट्स मीन असेंडिंग। ये पूरा जो सीक्वेंस है ये कौन सा है ऑर्डर? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का। Is it clear to all of you? Fine. Now, first of all, we have discussed 3 of rules of number pattern. और वो कौन से rules थे? हमने पहले तो decide करना था कि what type of order it is. वो हम कर चुके हैं. We have done already. Now, in this sequence, we have find the order is ascending. अब order क्या है? Ascending है. So according to ascending order we will apply the rule which is addition. We will apply mathematical operation which is plus and multiplication. हम simply क्या करते हैं? ऐड करते हैं या मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? Isn't class? Okay. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे? ऐड करके देखेंगे which number that I will add into 16 to make next number which is 21. अब मैं 16 में क्या ऐड करूंगी कि मेरे पास 21 बनेगा? Which number that I will add into 16? Yes, again you tell me. Very good. We will add class 5. We will add 5 to make next number. When you will add 16 into 5, we have 21, which is next term. Fine. So to check the next term, we will again add 21 into 5 to make 26. अब हम चेक करेंगे कि क्या 5 ऐड करने से 21 में 26 बन रहा है? Very good. We have 26 again. Now, if you look class, we have blank. We have blank. So and we have to find missing number in it. So अब उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? हम अपना सीक्वेंस क्या रखेंगे? सेम रखेंगे. Because if you look the first 3 terms we have consecutive 5. ऐसे ये 5 उसमें डिफरेंस आ रहा था. अब हम 26 में क्या ऐड करेंगे कि हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आ जाए? हमने पिछली टर्म्स में क्या ऐड किया है? 5. So we will add 5 again. Now when we will add 5, we have 31. So the missing number in this blank we have 31. Fine class? Okay. अब हम दोबारा से चेक करते हैं कि क्या 31 में हम 5 ऐड करने से 36 आ रहा है? When we will add 5 into 31, we have 36. So it's mean हम जो है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? ठीक रूल अप्लाई कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. Okay. Next, if you look, we have blank again. So it's mean we have to find the missing number. So missing के लिए क्या करेंगे? We will take the last number which is 36. Now what number that I will add into it to make the next term? Very good. I will add 5 रूल जो है वो इसमें यूज किया है? यस, हु विल टेल मी? यस हनान, यू टेल मी. वेरी गुड. Add 5. Add 5. यही रूल यूज होगा इसमें. Very good. First of all, class, you have to keep one thing in you have to keep remember one thing in your mind when you have a sequence and you have missing numbers in the given sequence. First of all, you will decide what type of sequence it is. If the order is ascending, so you will just apply mathematical operations on it, which is plus and multiplication. Fine. Now if this which is the second rule, if the order is descending means largest to smallest. अगर आपका सीक्वेंस बड़े से छोटे की तरफ मूव करेगा, so it's mean कि आप उसके ऊपर कौन सा अप्लाई करोगे ऑपरेशन? division and subtraction. Fine. Okay, so I have another part. Which is B. 4, 8, 16, 4, 8 dash 16, 20, 28. Fine class. We have a sequence which is 4, 8 dash 16, 20 dash 28. Fine. So first of all, we will decide the type of order. If you look class, we have first term which is 4. Then we have 8. Then the fourth term is 16. First term of this order is 4, 2, 4, 8, 2. Second term is 8. Fourth term is 16. अगर आप देखो तो सीक्वेंस जो है वो क्या हो रहा है? इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So for increasing we will say ascending order. The given sequence is in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. Isn't class? Ascending में हम क्या करते हैं? Smallest से largest में जाते हैं. Fine. Now back towards its part. First term is 4. So as you know, the order is ascending. So we will simply use mathematical operation in it, which is addition and multiplication. So we will add which number to make 8 into 4? कौन सा नंबर हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे कि हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म बन जाए? Very good. We will add 4. When we will add 4 into 4, we have 8. Fine. Now to find the next number, which is this, we will take the number which is which we get after adding 4 into it, which is the next term. Now what number that we will add into it to make this number? अब हम क्या करेंगे? Very good. We will add 4. हम जो डिफरेंस होता है ना, वो क्या करते हैं? सेम लेते हैं. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने जो सीक्वेंस है उसको क्या करना है? बैलेंस करना है. सो डिफरेंस क्या होगा? सेम होगा. अब आप इसमें क्या कर रहे हो? 4 ले रहे हो. So when you will add 4 into it, you get 12. So the missing number is 12. Fine. Now I will take the number which we get in the end, which is 12. Now I will check when I will add 4 into 12. we get 24. So the missing number is 24. Fine class? Now, in the end we have the number which is in the end which is 24. So what we will add into it? Very good. When we will add 24 into it, we have 28. Fine. So अब ये हमारा sequence complete हो गया. Through this we will complete this sequence. We will find the missing numbers by this. हमने क्या किया? First of all we will find the missing numbers by applying a rule. हमने उससे पहले क्या किया? We will decide what type of order is used in the sequence. So according to this part, we have ascending order. तो ascending order के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Ascending means increase हो रहा है. So ascending means increasing smallest to largest. Fine. Now, so what type of rule that is used in this? Rule क्या apply होगा यहाँ? Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. We will add simply 4 into it. So I will write add 4. Fine class? I will write add 4. Now I am going to conclude this lesson. You have to be listen very carefully, class. First of all, when we have a sequence and in the sequence we have missing numbers, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे उसके लिए? Who will tell me? Now Hadia, you tell me. Very good. We will simply decide in first step what type of order it is. ठीक है, वो हमें फर्स्ट 2 टर्म से ही पता चल जाएगा. अगर तो ऑर्डर आपके पास असेंडिंग है, सो you will use mathematical operations, that is plus and multiplication, to write or find missing numbers. Fine. If you have descending order, अगर आपके पास क्या होगा? descending order होगा, so you will just simply subtract or divide to make the number pattern and to find the missing numbers. Fine class? सबको clear है? Now I am going to repeat. You have to be listen very carefully. I have first term which is 4, then 8, then blank, then 16, 20, blank and 28. First of all, I will write 4 which is at first term. Now I want to find which number that I will add to make the next term, which is 8. Very good. I will add 4 into it. So अब मैं क्या करूँगी? नेक्स्ट टर्म मुझे क्या चाहिए? 12 चाहिए. So 8 में मैं क्या ऐड करूँगी कि मेरे पास 12 आ जाए? Very good. 4. For next term I will add 12 into 4 to get 16. Fine. Now for next we will add 16 into 4 and we get 20. Now in the end I have 20 and what number that I will add into it to make next number? Very good, which is 24. Next I will add 4 into 24 to make next number, which is 28. Fine. So according to this sequence we have ascending order, and in ascending order we will simply apply mathematical operations, that is addition and multiplication. Fine. So this is all. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. You have to solve question number 2 on your book. Allah Hafiz class. Thank you.